I can't believe it. I can't believe it. I finally found the trolls. And trolls, I'm gonna name you something stupid. I'm gonna name you She. Shizuka. And yeah, how it is going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Let's Play Pokemon Emerald. In the last episode of Let's Play Pokemon Emerald, we started our journey in the Hoenn region and picked our starter Roku, the Torchic, and evolved it, and it is at level 17, and we caught an Lotad named Amon and evolved it into an Lombre. And as you guys seen in the starting of this episode, I caught an Ralts with Trace and named it Shizuka and trained it up to level 7, and it learned Confusion, and I leveled pick up to level 9. And yeah, let's continue our journey in the Hoenn region. If you see in the last episode, it took me a lot of time to find this freaking Ralts. I can't even find Ralts in the last episode, guys. So yeah, it took me 3698 years to find this thing, and my opinion is who made that Ralts should have encounter rate of this. And the beauty of Emerald is you can find Lotad and Seedot in the same game, but Seedot is stupid rare in this game. I found 3 Ralts, and every 3 Ralts you can find 1 Seedot. So that's how that Seedot rare is. But how we have another Pokemon that is more rare than these two, guys. That is being and Surskit. And freaking Surskit is rarer than these things. So gotta love this game. Because of our Zigzagoon's pick up, I got so many items. As you guys seen in the starting of the video, I threw an Ultra Ball on the Ralts. So yeah, I can't be asked to catch that thing, catching this thing. Go, Amon, show your true power. Amon is a Bloodbender. And we got a Great Ball. Nincada. Another Nincada. Okay, let's talk to this man. He'll give us an important item, being TM19 Bullet Seed. And let's talk to this girl, and she'll give us the Wailmer Pale. So let's pick up these berries. Let's save the game. I know there will be an item here. Okay, we got the super potion. Let's run away this from these things because I can't hurt this. And Shizuka grew to level 10, and we got the potion. Oh man, hurt yourself. That's the beauty. Please do not hit me. Yes. No! So we can't even hit this thing. And let's quickly go to the next turn. Twins. Let's growl. And let's use Astonish on the Lotad. Roll and Astonish on the Lotad. Amon grow to level 15. Growl and what will nature power will be done? Swift. And we reached the city. It's a painy in the ass to catch Ralls. If you ever hear the story of Mystic Cumbrian, he suffered to catch Ralls in his Emerald. In his first ever playthrough of Emerald. And large screen grinder Pokemon, guys. Chestoberry. Got the Lapa berries. Gotta pick up these items. And yes, he'll give us cut. Cut can be useful though. And let's talk to this man. Quick Claw. We got the Quick Claw. And yeah, let's take on this gym, guys. I'm not gonna take on this gym. Or maybe not. I'm gonna take on this gym. Okay. Rushborough City's gym. Leader Roxanne, the rock loving honor student. Okay. This gym is going to be fun. I forgot rock types have very weak special defense, and we got the crit. KO. We can't even KO. 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 Can we KO now? No. And yeah, I'm gonna save the game. And let's quickly take on Roxanne. Hurt in yours. Okay, our Shizuka fainted. Let's use Absorb on this Geodude. Another Absorb on this Geodude. And I'm on grow to level 16. Another Absorb on this Nosepass Geode. Let's use Astonish. She went for the Roxanne. Okay, we defeated Roxanne, guys. And we got the Stone Badge from Roxanne. And we got Rock Tomb. And yeah. Get out of the way. And we defeated the gym, guys. Okay. Let's go. A wild Whismur. Okay, confusion, don't care. Oh, yes! Great ball, go. Okay, I'm gonna name this thing. Okay, who is quite oof. I'll see you guys when I got a nickname for this thing. Okay, I got a perfect name for you. Nobita. And yes, we are adding that thing to our team. And our team is almost full. And no, you can't do this to me. Tackle. Okay. And Wild Abra appeared. I can't escape. And but it went for teleport anyways. So what's the point? Load at. Shizuka. Please Shizuka. I'll see you guys when I heal up our party. Okay guys, I healed up and use confusion rolls. Nice. Use confusion rolls. Nice. Use confusion rolls. Nice. And and wild Whismur appeared. Okay, Shishu. And come on. Come on. Come on. Come on, Amon. Come on. As we defeated this grunt, we got the Devon goods. And we can use cut now. So where is it? Yes, we got this cut. I got rid of it, but no problem. Let's take this item. Super potion, that could be helpful. If it wasn't for I can't use items in the battle. And we got the great ball, and let's, you freaking guy. Okay. And we got healed up our party. Our party got healed up, whatever. And what I want to call the president. And that's it for this episode, guys. I'll see you in next episode of Let's Play Pokemon Emerald. Peace out. I'm gonna off-screen grind our Pokemon up to level 17. Peace out.